Married to the game, hit my vow with a ring. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. Yeah, yeah.
Hey, what's up? Can Katie just get a little love? Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Yes, your girl is back at it again with another video. But today this will be a hair review. And not only is this a hair review, but this company is actually from Canada. And I was super excited when I reached out to them and they were like, yeah, sure. So the company is Dollicious. I was about to say delicious. I'm my hungry self. It's Dollicious, and this is the authentic luxury hair. And you guys already know packaging is everything for me. So it came in a box. I really do like the box. Pink. It comes with wear your crown in every texture. So when you open it up, inside you have your thank you card, and it says, thank you for shopping. Dolliciousonline.com. We love doll selfies, and it just says, to send your selfies in. The other one is we carry Southeast Asian, Cambodian, Brazilian, and Indian. It has their number, their website, and everything. So inside, this was so pretty, you guys. So that's the empty box. Inside comes 3 satin bags. I received 3 bundles and a lace frontal. So opening this up, I'm sorry you guys, but I opened the frontal already because I was super excited to see how it looks. But opening up the frontal, it is a 12-inch straight frontal. It comes in a hairnet. So opening it up, the frontal does look like this. As you can see, it comes with baby hairs. It looks pre-plucked already. The edges aren't bulky. I would have to tint the lace and bleach the knots. But it's really pretty. Like, I'm not getting any shedding, any tangles. The only thing I did notice is that it came with like this middle part. But when I put it on my head, it went off to the side a little bit. So I'm guessing it's more of a side part. It's more in the side. But I really wish that it didn't have that part. So, because it's like, the part is so defined. So it's like, even if I was to try and pull hairs over to this side, you may still can see the part. So I would have to like mousse or gel this hair down and over that part just to cover the part up. But besides that, the frontal is very pretty. Like, this is one of the most neatest pre-plucked frontals I've ever received. So onto the bundles. Like I said, that was a 12-inch frontal. Onto the bundles, I received a 12-inch bundle, a 14-inch bundle, and a 18-inch bundle. She was out of the 16-inch bundle, so she just went ahead and sent me the 18. But look at the cute little ribbons. Like, her packaging in her bundle design is really pretty. Like, I love it. And I guess the straight hair is called Doll Vixen, if I'm not mistaken. But it is straight. The 12-inch bundle, of course, is the biggest bundle. The wefts are really thick. And it really doesn't have a smell, you guys. Like, it really doesn't. But look at that. Like, look at that movement. Like, this hair is, I'm super excited. I'm super excited about trying it. I do plan on coloring it and doing a wig making tutorial for you guys. I'm still undecided if I'm doing a wig tutorial or if I'm taking you guys along to watch me get a sew-in. But I will be having a tutorial up about how I tint the lace, how I bleach the knots, and if I decide to pluck the frontal some more, how I pluck the frontal. I may record me dyeing the hair for you guys. I'm going for a ash blonde, so stay tuned for that. But this is basically just the unboxing and the initial review. So the next video you will see will be my lace frontal series, and then you will see the hair installed. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.